With inflation making a massive hit in our bank accounts, everyone is looking for new ways of making money. The crypto world has welcomed many from all across the world to invest in their digital assets and has quite a neat set of coin tokens that are said to make many rich. So today, we're going to take a look at the Mana coin to see if it can make us a millionaire by 2023. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we shall be taking a look at Mana's crypto worth as well as its price prediction. We'll be answering the big question in all your minds about whether Mana coin can make you a millionaire by 2023. Mana is the native token of Decentraland, and this VR platform has gained massive hype over the past few months. This platform is built on the Ethereum platform and hence is quite a powerful part of the metaverse. Socialization and communication have all gone virtual ever since the pandemic hit. We also live in times where the advancement in tech is great, making such virtual experiences possible. People have also moved most of their trade and business online. Times are changing and keeping up with the trends is highly important. Mana is currently at $1.19. As for its market cap, that is $1,940,725,264. The circulating supply of Mana is 1,852,423,497, while its trading volume is $142,970,963. The all-time high price that it has touched so far is $5.90, while its all-time low is $0.007883. As for Decentraland's ROI, it is around plus 3,963.97%. Now that we're up to date with the data, let's analyze this data. But before that, we must note that Ethereum is quite a credible source, and anything being built on the Ethereum blockchain is credible too. Decentraland is decentralized and no one party controls the platform. The community decides what happens in Decentraland, and that's why it seems to be doing pretty well. Decentraland is also quite active with regard to its social media accounts, especially Twitter, where they're constantly updating the latest happenings in Decentraland, and they also specify what their users can expect in the near and distant future. All the data of this blockchain is embedded in the blockchain, and the blockchain is pretty safe and secure. All digital assets and real estate sold on this platform can be bought with Mana. The ERC 721 standards maintained on this platform ensure that the transactions conducted here are secure and safe. Virtual reality and virtual worlds are still quite a new concept to the masses, but Decentraland has targeted its audience to include gamers and tech geeks who mainly belong to the category of teenagers and young adults. In the month of January this year, Decentraland virtually covered the Australian Open tennis tournament where they were able to give their users an amazing metaverse experience. This live broadcast as well as daily POAPs had the users extremely intrigued by the experience, and the feedback was overwhelming. Decentraland is one of the fastest growing virtual worlds and has raised $25.5 million in funding from 6 high-profile users who include Animoca Brands, Boost VC, Fabric Ventures, Genesis One Capital, Fundamental Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland's developers are quite experienced as they have been in the industry for quite a long time. They keep coming up with new projects from time to time as well as indulge in partnerships to broaden the scope of the platform so as to help it grow. This has helped make the virtual world quite engaging and addictive. Digital real estate, though novel to many at the moment, is bound to pick fame and time. Though most spend their flat currency on real-world properties, people are slowly shifting to invest in land in these virtual worlds. In fact, there's a whole economy being created in these virtual lands that come with quite the experience. Over the last few months, Decentraland has undergone quite a few changes and developments, but this hasn't seemed to have affected the price much. This could probably be due to the inflation factor and the crypto crash that took place quite recently. At the time Decentraland was launched, the price of Decentraland cryptocurrency was around $0.024. This was in December 2017. Right after its launch, it surged in price and crossed the $0.24 mark, but then it faced rejection. The price was quite sluggish throughout the rest of last year, and only this year was it quite active in its movements. Mana went through a bull run towards the end of 2020, where the price of Mana was around $0.80. This price continued on till April 2021. However, this month, Mana shot up to a new high of $1.56. Investors were elated by this shoot in price, but little were they expecting a downward trend to follow. The price of Mana kept dwindling, and it plunged to a value below $0.65. This continued on till October, and some investors started losing hope in this coin. However, the ones who were in it for the long haul were waiting for the hike to come about, and their wait paid off when a hike in price was seen a few months later when the price went above $3.5. Last November, Decentraland marked a new all-time high of $5.90, which took the Decentraland price around the $2 mark. After that, the price of Decentraland regained its price level and touched the $3 mark. Due to the crypto crash and inflation, most of the digital coins have been facing massive fluctuations in their prices, and due to this volatility, making a short-term prediction at this point in time is quite hard. Before investing, it's always important for the investor to conduct their own research and not depend on the research and investment decisions of others. Now, let's conduct a technical analysis and take a look at Mana's price prediction. Taking a look at Decentraland's price history, it has been quite prosperous in the past, and due to this reason, many investors have high hopes for the token. The current price of Decentraland cryptocurrency is $3.04, but what could be expected from the token over the course of this year and the next? 2022 was quite an eventful year for Decentraland in terms of its price. With only a few more months left of this year, considering there's no major volatility in the market, the price may remain the same. Its price is quite strong as of now, and hopefully this will remain until December. Mana's price by the end of the year is expected to scale above $4.8. Experts and specialists on looking at Decentraland's past prices have stated that they have quite a bright future ahead of them. This will continue to be true as long as they keep coming up with new updates and developments regularly. According to a certain source, Mana's price could reach $5.1 by the end of 2022, and the price could further rise to $5.8 by December. Market analysts have forecasted that Mana will be traded at around $8 by the end of the next year, which is 279% of the current price. Without being biased, if we are to predict the price of Mana in 2023, it may touch around $6.7, or maybe even higher if there's a massive bull run. Short-term price prediction for Mana is a bit hard due to the volatility factor that exists in the industry. But according to all the data we have, by 2023, Mana will touch $6. This means that the average price is expected to trade above $4 in just a few months. Things are looking quite optimistic for Decentraland, and its investors can expect promising profits if they're smart about when to put in their money and when to pull it out. Moreover, it is important to make sure that your investment portfolio is well balanced and that all your money is not put into one token exclusively. So can someone become a millionaire by investing in Mana? Well, that would depend on a lot of factors, but based on the price prediction we made, it doesn't look like a very high possibility of happening. But maybe it happening by the end of the decade could be a possibility. Do you think Decentraland is a platform worth investing in? Or do you think it's an overhyped platform that just by luck is succeeding? Moreover, do you think it can help any investor become a millionaire? Do let us know what you think in the comment section below. With that, we come to the end of our video, and we hope you liked what you saw on our channel. Do support our content by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on your post notifications by hitting the bell icon. See you real soon!